Atena Training Hub, made for the people who build the spaces above. Hello, my name is Achille. I am the digital avatar of Atena. Today, we will show you how to join the new triangular profile and the 4927 channel using the patented Atena Winger. We will then build the Atena TDW, double triangle structure with Winger, which is the most used to assemble Atena Enigma, the most popular hidden structure modular metal ceiling. In this video, we will only focus on how to attach the Winger, not talking about the installation of the whole false ceiling. Remember to wear cut-resistant gloves. Place the 4927 channel against the back of the triangle profile. Let's assemble the two parts of the Winger hook. Now, use the Winger to connect the triangle with the 4927 channel. The click marks the correct securing of the hooks. Check the correct installation by verifying the hook. Bend the wings with the pliers, minding the correct orientation. Well done! Guarantee a fast and correct installation. Choose Atena Winger. Keep following the Atena Training Hub. I'll see you in the next tutorial.